So hello, in this video we are studying about the Kepler's law. So basically Kepler stated the following three laws. To explain, basically he had stated the three laws because to explain the motion of the planets which is around the sun, So the Kepler stated three laws to explain the motion of the planet which is around the sun. So here basically the three law is the first one, the second one and the third one. So the first law is about the law of orbits, and the second law is about the law of areas, and the third law, that is the last law, that is about the law of periods. So this three law is stated by the Kepler's law. Now in the next video we will learn about the law of orbits. So thank you for watching this video.